Demonstration: creating multiple AD user accounts. In this demo, you will learn how to import user accounts from a CSV file. Our CSV file has 12 users. Notice the column headers. Those names are compatible with pipeline input and the AD user PowerShell commands. First, let's populate the password scripts so that we can create a temporary password for our new users to use. We'll run the script using dot sourcing like you see here. Then we'll run the new SW random password function, generating a password that we're storing in that variable. Let's run get help against new AD user and specify full. And when I do that, it's going to say, hey, do you want to go online? I'll say no. Now let's scroll up to the display name property as an example. Notice the spelling, and also notice it accepts pipeline input, like all the other properties in our CSV file do. So let's use the import CSV command to display a list of our users, and there they are with their properties listed, all of which are compatible with pipeline input and the AD user commands. So let's rerun the import command, pipeline that over to new AD user. We'll enable the new users, and we'll provide them with that temporary password we created earlier. Let's retrieve the SAM account name property from my list, populate a variable containing those names, and then I'm going to pipeline those names to get AD user. I'm going to use them to populate their identity parameter, and there they are. If I wanted to, I could do the same thing to remove those AD users, and notice I've got confirm false so it doesn't display that information to me. Another successful demo. See you next time.